All right, what's going on, YouTube? It's Graham the Great here with another break. We're gonna get right into it here. We got the Bowman's Best 2020 MLB, and we got 4 chrome autographs per master box. There are 2 single boxes inside of here. I picked these up for, as you see on the sticker there, 210 bucks with taxes around 220. Got these in my local card shop, and yeah, seen a video on them and figured I'd give it a shot. So we'll break out the single box. You guys want to take a look on the side here, what everything you can find. You can pause it right there. All right, get that out of the way. Now we're looking for 2 autographs in this box here. Of course, you got your veteran players you can pull. These cards look really neat. I like the look of these cards. And we're gonna start it here with Max Scherzer, Christian Pache, our rookie Shogo Akamai, and we got Jordan Yamamoto, the pitcher autograph here, and that is very cool. Refractor, as you can see there. Congratulations. So that's going to be our first autograph in this box, first pack. So we're starting with it's a hot start. So that's cool. Get that in the background here. And we got an Ed Howard. All right, getting to the next one. We're still looking for another autograph. Like, I'm not looking for a Mike Trout or nothing. Don't need it. You know, I don't think he's that good of a player. Speaking of Mike Trout, my favorite player, Mike Trout. We got a franchise favorites, Robert Hassel, and a Christian Yelich. All right, we got a Mauricio Dubon. All right, we got a Suarez. And our autograph is going to be Zach DeLoach. Yeah, that's who we're looking for there, Zach DeLoach. Pretty cool auto. Sweet card, man. I like it. Like the design. Kind of reminds me of the 90s a little bit. Matches the jersey a lot. I like it. All right, so yeah, cool. Got that sleeved up. Got that Zach DeLoach. We're going to set him back here in front of these guys. All right. Our last card was a Buster Posey. Got a Mackenzie Gore, Jorge Soler. Oh, we got a Matt Chapman out of 150. See that there? Ooh, we got something good behind it too. And this one's out of 150. And we got a franchise 2020 Mlb Bowman from the Philadelphia Phillies, who I really expect to do well with us at third base. He did well at the end of last year due to the circumstances. He didn't get to play too much, but I'd like to see what happens with him. So that's cool. I like that. That's nice. Dan Vogelbach, power hitter. All right, cool pack there. I like that. Mlb Bowman. I've invested a few dollars in Mlb Bowman so far. Got a Joey Bart, Giants. Dustin May, another guy I think is going to excel one of these days. Dustin May. All right, next up we got Josh Bell. Rhys Hoskins. I mean, it's a sweet card. Go Phillies. So that's it for the first box. First pack. All right, Jose Altuve, Yadier Molina, Bobby Witt Jr. Nice. Franchise favorites Nolan Gorman, another up-and-comer, and Austin Meadows. Big fan of Austin Meadows as well. I think he's a good hitter. I like him. I think the Rays, man, the Rays are going to be good for a couple of years. I really do. Eddie Rosario, a Mike Trout. Franchise favorites. Looks like a red cracked ice. Some sort of prism. I'm gonna have to look that up after this, but very nice. Pretty card. I like that a lot. Sweet. And then our auto is gonna be Zach Bean for Colorado. Pretty basic squiggly autograph. Jordan Alvarez is the final card. So we're waiting on one more. Got that sweet Mike Trout, Wander Franco, Cody Bellinger. And we got here a Garrett Cole for the Yankees, numbered to 250. Arcides Aquino and Mookie Betts. All right, we got a Dylan Carlson, Jorge Alfaro, Dylan Cease from the White Sox. Got a franchise favorites Max Meyer and a Miggy Cabrera. All right, that's a PSA 7 now. All right. So 2 packs left, still waiting on the auto. Another player I think is going to do well, Royce Lewis. Got the Showtime, Shohei Ohtani. Got the Mike Trout producers. All right, so we got the last autograph here, Emerson Hancock for the Seattle Mariners. And that does it for the autographs. First one being that Zach DeLoach over there. So there we go for the autos. And then Nolan Arenado. All right, last pack. Can we get some last pack mojo going? All right, last pack. Garrett Cole. All right, we got this Asad Lacy. This Robert Hassel. Ooh, another one of these franchise 2020s. This one is Carter Kieboom. All right, not a kaboom, but a Kieboom. Sweet. Cards are cool. And a Juan Soto to finish it off. All right, so at the end of the day, we got our 4 autographs here. And I would say Bowman's best. If I had to review it, I give it a 7 out of 10. That's just my personal experience. Decent little box. It was fun to open, but other than that, you guys have a good night and take care.